No intro, no virtual background this time. Um, what's up, y'all? So, as you can tell, I'm a small YouTuber. Like, that should be obvious, right? Look at my subscriber count. And that's the thing. I have 59 viewers. And the challenge I'm putting forward to myself and the thing I want to document for y'all, take you on this journey with me is one, how fast can I grow this viewer count and or subscriber count? And also, can I how fast can I monetize a small channel without going through the YouTube partner program and all the ads and stuff? I'm trying to build a business out of this and I want to take y'all on the ride with me. So let's ride. So here's the thing. I got 59 subscribers, not 59,000, which for some people, 59,000 is a little tiny bit of subscribers. For me, that would be like a game changer. I got 59. And I'm wondering, can I actually make any money with that? Now, I do have an idea what the answer is, and that's why I'm doing this. But I want to test this out, like basically use myself as the lab rat for y'all. So y'all can see how I try to do this in the laboratory. A lot of people on this platform talk about how to grow a channel. You see it on YouTube. There's a whole niche about how to grow a YouTube channel. There's a whole niche on TikTok about do this magic thing, you're going to get subscribers overnight. And all you got to do is comment. And basically, you just giving them engagement. And that's going to boost their numbers or whatnot. That's just that's a Jedi mind trick they're playing on y'all. So, anyway, but everybody talks about how to grow a channel, but nobody talks about how to actually monetize a small one. And so that's kind of what I'm doing. I want to grow this channel, but at the same time, I'm trying to build like a business with predictable income straight off of this channel. And I've done it for other businesses where I've monetized their very small footprint. So I'm trying it on myself. All right. I'm about building real business. I am not trying to be famous. I don't want to be an influencer. I just want income that I can predict. Um, and YouTube is part of the system. Now, it's not the entire system right now, but it's part of what we're doing. And so I want to document it and show it to y'all and show y'all my journey and let y'all in. Um, the goal is actually 12K a month. I'm not there yet, but that's the target. 12K a month from this specific brand of content. This brand, this cash to content brand. Okay. So the challenge is we'll start at 30 days, have a check in, 60 days, we'll check in again. For the next 30 to 60 days, I'm going to post pretty consistently on this platform. Um, and I'm going to track where my leads come from. All right. And I want to see if this channel can actually bring me clients or sales. I know the answer, but we're going to document it together. So, why this matters? If this works at 59, this works with a small audience. I'm not anticipating it's going to stay 59 forever. But if it works with a small audience, it should be a blueprint to work for just about anybody that's trying to build a business without doing the influencer thing. All right. So this is the 59 subscriber challenge. If you've ever wondered if you can make content pay before you blow up, stick around for the ride. See what happens. And you get a chance to see what this looks like in real time. All right. Um, I do have my Skool community content to cash. Skool community. This is really the first layer of this is teaching y'all how the logistics of setting up the camera, lighting yourself, mics, all the technical aspects of recording oneself. And also some of the copywriting things that you do to write that intro video for your business. It's a community for business owners who create content. It's not a community for people that want to be content creators. All right. I need you to understand there's a distinction there. I want people that have actually done business or have an interest in doing business because it's a different mindset. So you're going to find the link to the community in the description. Right now, we're still pretty brand new. I do have a course up. I'm going to be adding some more content to it this week. But I want y'all to check it out. Right now, it's for the first, I think it's 10 to 20 people. I got to double check, but I think it's for the first 10 actually. Um, $97, you get lifetime access. And I really want to build a community full of business owners that do business with other business owners. So that's what it is. If you want to check it out, you can. I have a video that's kind of previewing that. That's a video I just dropped this morning, and so that's kind of where we're at right now. But stay tuned if you want to join me along the journey. Um, and it's not just going to be about growing the channel. I'm be talking about other things that I'm not very good at as a YouTuber apparently, and so figuring out how I can reverse engineer this, how I can improve it, or how I can make it work my way, because sometimes it's making it work your way and finding your specific audience. So that's what I got, y'all. I do appreciate y'all. If y'all want to stick around for the ride, I'd really love it. And maybe you can learn something from my journey as I make myself the lab rat for y'all. Talk to y'all later. Peace.